Hello guys, welcome to Developers Academy. In this video, we will learn about git ignore file. Before I start the video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you are the first one to know whenever I upload a new video. What is git ignore and what is the use of git ignore? Git ignore is a text file which contains definition of all the files and folder to ignore in a git project. So whenever we ignore a file or folder, it will not be tracked in the Git project anymore. So guys, let's see how to add a git ignore file in a project. This is the project which we are using in our tutorial. So you can see that I have opened this project in VS Code, and now we will add a git ignore file using the new file button. So I will click on the new file button and just add a dot git ignore file here. Now to ignore the file, we can write the file name here directly, or we can give the extension of the file which we want to ignore using star dot get the extension here. So right now we are ignoring all the log files, and to ignore a folder we can use the folder name, like folder name slash. This will ignore the folder name folder completely. So let's see an example. So suppose I add a file here. Okay, now we will ignore this file. Okay, now I will make some changes in this file. Let's check git status here. So you can see that we have added a new git ignore file, but the file to ignore.txt is not tracked here. Okay, now let's check with a folder. So I created a folder to ignore, and now I will add a file inside it. Okay, now let's check git status, and you can see that the file inside the folder to ignore are not tracked here. Okay, so what is the use of git ignore? Git ignore can be used to ignore the tracking of large size file or the file which we don't want to commit, like some log file or some packages or the packages folder we don't want to commit, because the packages can be reinstalled on the system where the project will be used later. So we don't commit the packages and push the packages to reduce the size of our commit. So sometimes the IDE helps us to restore the packages automatically, or we can restore the packages through some commands. So we don't commit those packages, we just leave it on the developer to reinstall it again whenever someone clones our project. So we just saw how to ignore a file or a folder in a Git project. But suppose we have committed some file which we want to ignore later. So how to ignore that file? Let's see how to do that. Okay guys, so I just reverted back the code, and now I will add the git ignore file again. And now I will add the UI file .txt to ignore. Okay, now let's check git status. Okay, so you can see that git ignore file is added, and now I will make some changes in UI file.txt. Let's check git status. So you can see that UI file.txt is still being tracked and it's showing it as modified, but we don't want to track it now. So how to do this? Okay, so to do this, we will run a command git rm to remove cast -r and the file name. Okay, now we will check the git status. So you can see that UI file.txt is now deleted. Now we will stash these changes. So we will use git add, and I want to add all file, so I can either use dot or -a or all. So I will go with dot, and now I will commit this change. Okay, let's make some changes in git ignore UI file again. Let's check git status, and you can see that working tree is clean, nothing to commit. So guys, this is how we ignore a already committed file. Okay guys, so suppose we are working on some project and we don't know what are the files or folder we need to exclude from our git. So for that, this git url contains a git ignore sample file for some projects. So you can download the git ignore file from here, or you can just see how to ignore some files. Like here, this project is ignoring a VS Code folder and AL cache folder. So you can just see this file. For examples, like here, it is ignoring all the file with .app extension. I will paste this URL in the description. You can check it out. That was all related to git ignore. Thank you guys for being with us till here. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. We'll see you in next video.